Hey, good morning, Roy. We almost forgot you guys this morning.
Yeah, sorry guys. We were actually both in a trade. We're in a short
Yeah.
and lost track. Um, we do have 13 minutes ahead of JOLTS data.
Yeah,
So
it was
we
funny. So
are,
you said we got 15 minutes to data, and I'm over here like thinking to myself, well, that means we got to open here. I mean, we got to get out of our trade here soon. And then
all
I'll be
right.
damned. I was like, well, okay then. I
So
just
it
took some
got,
profit out, but I wanted to break 30 and go to 25. What I want. I don't know if that's possible. It came down right close to 30 and bounced, so that could be the spot. How's everybody doing this lovely morning?
good, good. Let's see.
Oh, well, we have nobody from YouTube watching right now.
No comment. Tide, general market tide, volume ticking down. Um, Same with SPY tide. So they are in line.
CBD has gone to negative 3,100. When we opened up, it was negative 1,900.
Wow.
Yeah, so I think they're going to push this thing down, but I want to see this 30 break. This 30 break should send it down. I got my take profit at 26.75. But, ooh,
Oh,
uh, I forgot my damn, my trailing stop done rigged on me here, done dropped down.
they got you.
No, it didn't get me. It just moved
Oh,
down. Like it trails 4 points once it goes down. So I'm guaranteed like $100 in this trade. But I don't really like doing this on Trade of 8 because I'm below the 1,500 thing. So this actually cuts into my,
yeah.
and that took me out there. So it's only $30. I got $60 out of trade. 61.25 to be exact. And I think there's more. CBD's gone to 47.
Dude, I
What the hell?
hate being this close to jolts.
Hey, Howie. Get started off buying 1,000 shares of SoFi. Hey,
Hey,
welcome to the club. I gotta look at this thing goes down. You would have hit my target, Roy. I don't know what these two anchor VWAPs are, but they are the exact same almost. But so we don't need both of them. I mean, at this point, do you chase it down?
not this close to data.
Well, you got 10 minutes, Roy.
I know I can make 3 kids in that time, but I don't. I just don't know if I really want the stress of it. I I feel
I'm
like
thinking about taking a $50 scalp.
okay, maybe if it gets back up to 30.
Yeah. See, you got those orders. Yeah, 30 is a good spot.
Because you're gonna get a
CBD.
big. Yeah, I mean you're bouncing off of anchored VWAP from yesterday.
From when? Because I had two
Yesterday,
of them there. Deleted one.
I think it's yesterday and Friday. To be honest,
I think it was the Friday one I just deleted then.
so Dirty Harry got my joke. I appreciate you, Dirty Harry. I did do an
I
IV
didn't even hear the
flush.
joke, so
It's all right. You're uh,
I was too busy thinking over here.
I
I think
I did
looking back now, I remember there was a joke.
I did an IV flush on PayPal. I bought calls on the open and just closed it for a quick deal. That is my first IV flush trade.
Hey, you
Yeah,
following the frog man?
I followed the frog man. I bought $70 calls when it got down to 71 and just closed them out for nothing crazy, just $150 win. But just playing
This
a
is
quick
a this
bounce up.
candle is kind of interesting here, Roy. We are seeing a little dip or a little uptick in volume.
Yeah, that's a wick, back to back wicks.
Yep, you got to watch those wicks, especially if their name is John.
Oh, nice. Did you see Ballerina? I didn't.
Yeah,
Yeah, I need to
My
I
girl.
need to watch. Yeah, yeah. I got a whole list of movies I need to see. I need to see Fantastic Four. Apparently, you have to see it in IMAX. You can't see it in regular because it like cuts off Galactus.
On what now?
So if you watch Fantastic Four in the widescreen format, Galactus
Oh,
head is cut off. But if you watch it in IMAX, everything is like proportioned the way it should.
and there's only, as far as I know, there's only one IMAX that's relatively close, and that's in Memphis. And I'm not going to Memphis to watch it.
Really? You guys don't
I
have
don't
an
even know
IMAX theater?
do what?
You guys don't have an IMAX place?
We don't have one now.
Oh, wow. That's like a business opportunity.
I don't know, Dirty Harry. You can tell me, is there one in Tupelo? Could be.
Because they now have like the theaters. Most of the theaters have like IMAX screens, so they retrofit it.
Most of them are. I mean, look, I'm gonna tell you, these theaters nowadays are so nice,
Yeah, yeah.
and everything is so much better than what it was back in the day. Dirty Harry says, nope, there's not one in Tupelo. So yeah, I'm out. I'm not going to. Damn sure I'm not going to Memphis to watch it.
Yeah,
Gonna
no,
tell
it's
you
not
that
worth
right.
all that. It's not worth
Nah,
all
hell
that.
no.
but-
Not worth risking my life over. I can promise you
Right.
that.
Yeah.
All right, you got your put premiums ticking back up a little bit now. Volume coming back down on SPY Tide.
You can wear your
Market Tide is a little different. Dirty Harris
Memphis.
is one in Birmingham. That makes sense. I'm not driving to Birmingham just to watch a damn movie, though. I can promise you that.
No, you gotta. Yeah, Birmingham though was nice. There are a lot of nice restaurants there. I was actually surprised when I was driving through.
Birmingham's tried to change their image.
Yeah,
Their image was not very nice for a long time. They've tried to step their game up.
yeah. I mean, I'm not a big fan of Alabama towns. Montgomery being my most hated, but
I mean, Montgomery's
Montgomery's a
one of the most
shithole. No
dangerous cities
offense
in
to
the
anybody
world.
there.
So.
Yeah, my friend got shot in Montgomery's side. I've got personal anger towards that.
I'm gonna tell you something about Montgomery. If you're driving through, don't stop.
Yeah, no, I learned that. I make that trek quite a bit when we visit my in-laws, and they don't live in Alabama, but we have to drive through it, and it's not a town I like. But enough about it, Montgomery. Speaking of shit in the bed, the 30 level is holding.
It is holding now. Yes.
It is too close to data. 4 minutes.
Yes.
So that's 2.5 kids.
30.
There it goes. The general market is Apple red.
So when's Apple's earnings? You got Apple, Meta, Amazon, and who else?
Yeah, I'll show that. Let me look over.
You got 4 big boys.
Yeah. Oh, where's my screen? Share screen. You got Visa tonight, Starbucks. Tomorrow you got Meta, Microsoft, Hood.
Microsoft is one I couldn't
Oh,
remember.
Hood. Oh, you don't have shares. I was gonna say your covered calls. Apple, Amazon Thursday.
Yeah.
Coinbase Thursday. Qualcomm tomorrow. Obviously, you have FOMC tomorrow. Going to be kind of a nothing burger. Just people are going to be looking at what he's going to say about the rates.
Yeah, you got FOMC, then you got PCE data on Thursday, and then what, non-farm payroll Friday?
Yeah, and you have GDP tomorrow, I think.
I think you're right. Yeah, you got a lot. There's a lot going on. This
ADP.
week is stacked.
Oh, there's your JOLTS.
Did JOLTS come out early?
I appears so. I don't know what the hell that was. I didn't hear anything on the audio.
No, there's no way it came out early. It stopped me out of my short, by the way.
Oh.
Yeah. Tried to scalp $50 and lost $100. So there's life.
It's not breaking above anchored VWAP. It had that kind of wick at it, but I mean, what was that?
Well, I will chill out now. So there's no need to hop in the trade this close for sure. 10 minutes, I was okay. I mean, I'm sure you can make babies in 3 babies in 2 minutes too.
Not a dollar. SPX 6400 on the nose as we head into this JOLTS data. So, yeah. AMD price target raised from $170 to $200 by Bank of America. So, any AMD bulls out there, that should be good for you.
I thought I had you on. I guess I turned you off solid.
I think I'm gonna delete Krispy Kreme off my watch list. I'm gonna need to play that one anymore. I think.
Yeah, your logic on that one. I was like, what the hell? Okay, whatever.
Yeah.
I'm not following him on it, but whatever. To each their own.
Yeah, so while I was on vacation, I bought Krispy Kreme shares and traded it for about an overnight session, and then closed it before they opened. I went for a walk, and it provided me some clarity of what the hell are you doing.
It came back like, hey, like, God, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I sold that. Like, good.
I did make a little bit of money, but it was like just stupid. Yeah, still. Nvidia is at 179.33. We got 20 seconds till data here, so if you're in a trade, be cautious. As you can see, Bookmap has cleared the way. All orders have been cleared, so 10 seconds. Big data here.
Data.
Bang.
U.S. equity futures gained 97.2, forecast 96, previous 93.
It's consumer confidence, so confidence went up.
Confidence went up.
And JOLTS.
Come on now.
I think 7.2 is what I'm getting, but I think I heard it right.
Well, confidence went up. Where is JOLTS now? Job opening 7.437 million, estimated 7.5.
Yeah, it's basically in line. So what was that pop before? Is that the confidence number getting leaked?
No clue. Well, now that's crazy. So Financial Juice updated, and it shows that JOLTS numbers came out before consumer confidence, but consumer confidence showed up on here first. So what are you doing?
Yeah, I got a blank screen on Financial Juice. They're not.
Excuse me. Yeah, I'm not really seeing anything. I mean, those numbers were not bad, but I'm not seeing anything great coming from it as far as
price action.
I mean, SPY tide just took a dive.
The dollar liked it. So let me flip over to that. So you look at the stick on the dollar. This is your data. So dollar dropping, and now it's pushing back up. So dollar. This is the daily chart on the dollar. So as you can see, it's been back-to-back days kind of on this upswing. Is it going to break back above 100 soon?
Look at dollar. Look at SPY tide.
SPY tide. Oy. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. General market tides in line. SPY tides in line. Dollar's pushing higher. What's CBD?
Negative 44. Right at it.
CBD there.
You got order still at 25. My question is, do we come down and test that 25? Do we pop up to 40? Everything's kind of telling me no, but this thing could move really quickly up without really showing much. So, and then I don't know if it's my internet or what, my stuff is lagging.
I'm getting a little lag on TradingView and Financial Juice. Everything else seems okay.
Top Step just lagged a little bit. It just said API disconnected and reconnected. So I hadn't seen that yet. All right, here we go. We're going to test this 30 again, I see, maybe. If we get that break, like I said, I want to see it come down and test this 25 and see what it does at 25. And then we can go from 25 there. If it bounces, then probably wouldn't be a bad idea to play along, but I'm just not loving any data to the long side. I mean, any data I'm looking at to the long side, not any data that came out. So there's that. We need to break this 30. Is what we need
financial financial juice ads make me want to kick a puppy.
Do what?
These financial juice ads. So you have the audio news on. He does this like Donald Trump impersonation, and it's.
Are you still not paying for his service?
No, I need to.
There you go.
I know. I'm still. I mean, to be honest, I would just do it solely. Okay, right, exactly. Here. I would do it, but his stuff is real time, so I would just do it just to support the guy at this point. I mean,
well, that would be a nice thing to do.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I've got a business account that I'm gonna just start paying all my shit off of over there.
Don't you know how karma works?
I know. I'm an Indian that wears deodorant though, so maybe not. The creation, yeah, it's just holding. I want it. I want a clear move. Hey, yesterday I had to commend us. We actually waited a little bit, and the moves played out pretty nicely and cleanly. Personally, and just watching and kind of trying to avoid the chop within the orbs and things like that. Ended up being a pretty profitable day.
You are correct.
Orb low 64.3250, so that is coinciding with right around anchored VWAP as well. So you got a little bit of a cluster there. Could get a bounce up to anchored VWAP or even VWAP and then a rejection down. But the 8 is kind of curling. I mean, you got a lot going on right there. I don't know, man. I want to short, but that's just me wanting to short.
I'm in a short. I thought we were going to get that breakdown, and it bounced right back off. So I did not get that breakdown I wanted. I want to see 25 tests.
I'm getting a bit of a deja vu from yesterday on this 30 level, right? I mean,
yeah, it seems like it, doesn't it?
Yeah. It kind of played around and then just couldn't quite break above it. This is coinciding again with SPX 6400, so a short here is not a bad spot. Yeah.
I mean, come on, get this closing and go test this down 25 area. My gosh.
Atlanta GDP just released.
It's usually a nothing burger, but knowing my luck, it could be a something burger today.
I think it was weaker, 2.9. Yeah, 2.9, which is basically anything under 3 is not good.
Well, look, if it's going in my favor, then it's probably not going to be. It's going to be a nothing burger. We seem to see that sometimes. So
Yeah, I mean, Tide says you're in the right trade, both Tides. CBD says you're in the right trade. The only thing,
CBD's a little iffy here because it's not really moving. It
yeah,
got up to negative 49. Now it's just holding around negative 46. So that's not a great sign for the short, to be honest with
gotcha.
you.
Data is bullish from JOLTS standpoint and consumer confidence standpoint. Uh, TNX is red. It's at 4.38. 4.38. So
Oh, gosh. CBD's under 45. It's at 44.90, 44.80. This
Marvell
is like
78.
there's a few orders building up around that 30 level again.
Marvell 78.23.
Oh man, you should have told me that now instead of earlier.
Yeah, sorry.
That's all
Well,
good.
yesterday, it spiked a tank. So I thought, oh, yeah, repeat.
I'm all good. Holy shit.
Yeah.
So the last 5 Marvell I'm in is up $560 right now.
And them swings can swing. I love them.
Marvell was if anybody doesn't know, it was I chased, I didn't chase, I followed, follow sounds better than chased. I followed flow.
Or he followed the money. See,
Yeah,
this is where.
what do you think about that? And he's like, well, one, that's my girl that shared it. So I'm in. I don't know if he actually got in the trade or not, but I was already in the trade by the time I sent it to him.
Yeah.
I looked at it and saw it, and I was like, you know what? I've got a little powder here. Let's see if we can make something out of it. And we made something out of it. So I can't complain.
Marvell's a quality company in the right sector, right? I mean, it's just a good trade. And if we had the rights to that Queens of the Stone Age song, you'd play the Go with the Flow right now. It
This
pays
thing's
out
going to
more
be
than
screen, just so you know.
Yeah. Come on, just break it. Break it right here.
I mean, it just started then like, hey, we got some good momentum down. Psych.
Like, oh, we got to check the streams. My short.
I mean, we literally got 2 ticks away from a take profit there. And
we already took out ICT. Now to take out money.
Look, I am not that guy. I don't think they hunt my fictitious stops over here on Take Profit Trader.
Yeah. Rick Santelli on that interview, again, if you haven't seen it, you should watch it. It's great. He was talking about his first trade and how he cut his teeth on futures, and he was in a trade and it limit up, and the guy next to him on the floor said, you may want to, you're looking this, are you still in it? He said, yeah, I'm still in it. I'm going to ride it up. He said, are you sure? He said, it'd be probably a good spot to take it here. And the guy, he's like, no, I'm going to let it rip. He said the next thing he knew, that guy had done so many orders that he had caused the limit down.
I swear I'm fixing to punch the screen.
Well, you still got anchored VWAP in your favor, so if it can just reject there.
CVD's worked down to negative 42. Tide is, I don't know. Tide is the slightest little bullish movement on Tide, the market pops.
Yeah.
And then the ugliest moves you can see on Tide, the market's like, well, let's just wait and see.
All right, so I'm going to give you honest analysis here. If this breaks on this Periscope, the 6400 on SPX, it's got a little bit of a fuel to just pop like irrationally very high. But if it can reject here, you've got basically a 10-point drop on SPX of about, could be about 10 points coinciding with right around this anchored VWAP from yesterday. You don't want this thing to catch this fuel right here, and it looks like it's trying to right now.
Yeah.
So
probably going to CBD's work down to 4,000. Your put premiums just tanked. Volume is ticking up slightly. So yes, everything is saying that I should have cut this short when it got down there, and I should have just took profit on it. But you know, it was just enough to keep me in to say, hey, wait, we might break down here. We might break down here. Hold on, we might break down here.
It's not running away from 6,400 SPX so far. So you
6 and a pop. Look at all these wicks to the downside.
Yeah.
Look at CBD fixing to go below 4,000. That's a 41. It's coming back a little bit, but you got these orders at 33.75.
Trump doesn't say anything here. You're probably.
Why would you even mention that?
Well, he's in Europe. He's probably dining out.
He already got me at 3 o'clock or 2:30 this morning. He just needs to chill for a while. If anybody doesn't know, I'm trading gold on the London session on a combine, and I went to that a few reasons. One, to eliminate the stupid news from Trump, the stupid tweets and random press conferences. Well, this morning I walk away for a little bit and I get the random press conference, I guess, because he gave a couple quotes that just the dollar tanked, gold ripped. I was in a short. I had moved stuff around because I was walking away for a minute and I didn't want to just get wicked out and come back and be, good. And nope, come back and he had said some stupid shit. I actually didn't say much at all, but the dollar hated it, which means gold loved it, which I was short in gold. So, I did not love it. And I looked over and I was like, you got to be shitting me. He's really speaking like right now. What the hell? Like only I would be the one to catch it.
Right.
CBD just went under 3,000. I'm under 4,000. It's 39.90. We need a rejection here. I'm still right around flat. Right. I'm not getting killed here, but I'm down like $20 right this second. So it's not a horrible deal, but I would love for it to come down. But the longer it stays here, the less likely it looks it's going to come down and test that 64.25 area. Especially if it breaks 75 here, well, it's going to break to the upside, but won't even test to the downside. So, yeah. Que sera, sera. Today might be one of those days we just need to chill.
Well, it's still not running away from the 6,400 number. That.
Look, you got more hopeism than I do.
Look, you're getting a rejection at VWAP here at SPX. You got little upper wicks. You got to break down this 8 right here, and all of a sudden we're in business. You got 68.99.
Well, now I can't break that anchored view up from Friday. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just kind of. Yeah, of course, still a big red line right there at 31.25. That's perfect. That's exactly what I wanted to see right there.
Well, I think this is your chop area. So it's going to be right below the orbs.
Well, I'm going to tell you, if I wasn't in a trade, I would not enter a trade here. So,
okay, good to know.
Should tell me how I need to know.
Let's see what we got.
I did get more sleep last night. I was able to go to sleep at 10 o'clock. So I got like almost 4 hours before the London session started. And then I got almost 4 hours after the London session. So I got about 8 hours. It was just wasn't all together.
Okay.
I don't know if that still counts or not. To me, it counts. But, I don't know if it counts like scientifically or medically or whatever the word I'm looking for here. Tell me what I'm looking. I'm looking for this damn thing to drop. I'm hoping I can keep talking like this. It's going to drop.
Just keep going. Yeah. It's.
I mean, seriously, I just need like a few points here to get out. At least get. I've got a scale out here at 28. If I could get some of this out at 28, I would hold the rest to 25 or 26 regular. But I mean, it's just not giving me the move now. See, this is what drives you crazy. A little bitty pop a minute ago, everything went crazy. Now we've gotten a big pop here, big dip in volume, and a decent pop in put premiums. And it's like, you know what? Let's think about this for a minute. Let's not make rash decisions. General
You're
market
at the
time,
8.
volume's going down.
Yeah, you're at the 8 on SPX. So this has been kind of the spot. If you can break this damn ribbon.
I mean, it just bounced right that 30 level right there. It got close to it. And it's like, eh. And what sucks is there's really no orders there to hold it up. Well, until now, they just put 120 orders there, 130 orders there. What the hell? Where did you come from just now? I don't know if those orders are put now. They pulled them and they put them. They're playing games with it here. That's what sucks.
Mm-hmm.
You got two bros on the phone in an institution's like, hey, let's pop it back and forth here. Let me get in and sell, and get in and sell, and get in and sell.
Any desire? I know you're in the middle of a trade, but kind of get your mind off it. Any desire to write covered calls on NVIDIA?
I mean, if I could get a good bang for my buck like I did that one time, the thing is, I hadn't been able to get a good bang for my buck out of it.
Yeah.
Like right now, 178. Let's look for this week. Now look at this damn thing pop up. Put premiums are going crazy. Volume's dropping and the price.
Holy cow.
Perfect. I don't know if this was a setup to take it or if this was a move back up now. That's I don't understand life.
No, that's not it. It's not.
So Roy, I mean, like right now,
it's like the little tick down on the premium caused the spike.
I know it's stupid, right? Like the only thing worth selling would be the 180 calls for this week. Now let's look at next week. I've got too many down. Let's thin these strikes out so I don't have to move as far to look. Next week, I mean, the 185 is 130, 35.
What do they do earnings? So they have earnings in 30 days. You could look for a $200 call 30 days out. How much is that?
Well, what's today's date? So we'd look at what, the end of August? 200 is 150. Sorry, 190. Okay, that might be worth it.
Yeah, I mean, you're talking, what is that? 10%. So that's a $400 billion move.
So we're going to look. Here's what I'll do. I'll make you a deal. I will try to sell that call, but I'm going to put 200 on it. So if I get 200 bucks out of it, I'll sell it. That gives it, it's at like 188 now. So
you're, yeah, I mean, here's the thing that I think a lot of people are expecting with NVIDIA is Meta is spending like a drunken sailor.
Yes.
And so their CapEx guidance is going to be huge for NVIDIA's bottom line.
Only thing I hate about the whole NVIDIA deal is, the Democrats are trying to fight the
yes, they're trying to
block the I don't understand, like,
that one is puzzling.
I am more, what's the word I'm looking? I'm more I think I'm more right now than I was before, that it doesn't matter what either side does, they're going to be opposed to it no matter what. Like, yes. I don't understand why they're so opposed to this chip deal with China.
Yeah.
And then why are they so big on a cryptocurrency central bank?
Yeah.
Shouldn't it be the Republicans that are trying to get this cryptocurrency? I mean, what do you think? Like it seems like it's backwards. Like Democrats say, hey, and this is no shot at Democrats, so don't. But they're like, hey, we believe this, this, and this, but we want a central bank. I know the left believes in more government, right? That's kind of the left's deal. But some of this stuff just does not make sense to me. And the stupid chip deal, and I know that we're bouncing back up for no apparent reason at all.
Yeah, I don't understand this.
I mean, what am I missing here? Why did this thing bounce back up? I guess you had a little pop in call premiums and general market tide. But I mean, look at SPY tide.
Yeah, SPY tide is disgusting.
It's nasty. CBD is not really great. You've got very few orders holding this thing up here. And it just does not make sense to me in my head. I don't like it when it doesn't make sense because I can't figure out why it's doing what it's doing. And I know there's a reason somewhere, right? But what is the reason? Is this a reason where we're going to pop like crazy here in a little bit? Or are we just going to eventually, they're going to be like, hey, we just wanted to hang it here for a while before we dropped it. That's two different scenarios that could happen. I don't know. But I mean, it seems to want to hold, but I mean, this 30 level makes no sense with like 50 to 80 orders holding it up.
Yeah, I mean, is that just showing you how low the volume is at the moment?
I mean, the volume is not horrible. I think what it is I think we're just seeing the iceberg orders. Obviously, there's a big wig somewhere there that keeps popping this thing up that we're not seeing on book map.
I think it could be Apple.
I mean, look at SPY tide real quick. My gosh.
Yeah, SPY tide's saying just hold steady, lads.
Excuse me. Now your general market tide is starting to show that. Look at general market tide, volume's dropping, put premiums are rising again. But here's your problem right now. So general market, SPY tide, your put premiums are starting to turn sideways.
Yeah,
this thing could pop on just that little bit. Well, excuse me. I caught it at that time on the mute, but you still could see it. So I don't know if that really helps. I don't know if the mute button helps or not. I'm just trying to.
I think Apple is your key here. If you get a rejection here, because if you look at Apple on this kind of die and then it kind of moved up, but if you look at the rest of Mag 7, Nvidia trending down, Microsoft trending down, Google's hopping, Amazon trending down, Meta trending down, Tesla trending down, Netflix popping up. Netflix not big enough to really do it. So Google and Apple. But I think Apple's kind of leading the charge here a bit. I mean, obviously Nvidia is green, so that's a big gap up, but it looks like Nvidia may fill the gap here.
Oh damn! I just had one of my take profits move. One of my stops trail. Now we're 4 points away from getting stopped out on one of them. I got two different orders here, so
now we have pushed another again. I think if you're into lines and stuff, guys, not those lines, but the lines. The 6,400 is.
If you're into lines and stuff, not those lines.
Yeah, so
that was a good one. Not those lines.
6,400 on SPX. I mean, look at this. It goes, bam, rejection. Bam, breakout. Come back down below rejection. Could be a false breakout. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Come on down. Working on down there. I've got take profit at 26.50. I want to move it. Don't be greedy.
Killed part out. I don't know what I'm doing here. I've got I got my last take profit down here at 25.75. I don't know if we're going to break this 27.50 here. Well, they just pull those orders, so I don't know. If we can break down here, And look, this is just, I just got back to even. You know, I took $100 win, then I took $100 loss. Now I'm even on the day. But if it can hit this 25.75, that'll get me like $50 up on the day again. All around for nothing. Lord have mercy. I still pat myself on the back for my Google trade I did. That was fantastic.
That was good. Remind me of myself.
Roy to help me out with it either. Just did it on my own.
It stopped me. I got $60 out of it. Probably could have got. I was up like 110. I should have just taken it, but so now I can flush for you. Let it flush.
No, it's not going to. It's going to come and take me out too. My stop had moved to 64.30.25, which is fixing to hit. It just hit. It did not stop me out, so I don't know what's going on. I think I got an order here that's doing absolutely nothing. I think the wrong one closed. CVD just went to 5,000, below 5,000 though. I don't know. I don't know what it was a minute ago. So it could have been more than that. I haven't been looking, to be honest with you.
So your premium took a nosedive, which I think is
that.
what caused this push. And you got your call premium actually coincided with that. It's going up and volume. So there could be more momentum to this move.
So it's showing an order there, but when I go to click exit all position, cancel all, it says there's no working orders. So let's refresh and see if that goes away.
I would fire up the mobile device.
So I just refreshed and that order is not there. So that was a
okay.
Yeah. Sometimes you just gotta get a different look. Yeah, now so I got out of that trade. I'm like $50 down on the day now because it went king back up and it actually missed my take profit that I thought moved with me that was not accurate. So I don't know. Roy, run through. Give me a minute.
Yes, sir. All right.
Run to the restroom real quick and I'll be right back.
Gotcha. All right. So what we got here? We got Apple trending back up. So again, kind of keeping an eye on Apple. It just broke VWAP. This could be the leader that kind of give you the trend in the market. If Apple can get going. Don't love that wick on ES for any sort of short. I mean, look, wick. So it could come back and fill this wick and then pop up, but this anchored VWAP from yesterday are holding. Has been holding the last few days, really. I mean, overnight it held, and then when it finally broke down yesterday, it had a nice flush. So kind of putting all the pieces together. I mean, we've had a lot of good news, and you haven't had a lot of kind of momentum-based pops to the upside. Just kind of had end of the day, always has some shenanigans, but had a gap up, and then you kind of curling down. Yesterday, you had a gap up, and then kind of curling down. So Friday was a nice trend day. It had a gap up, and then it just kind of trended up all day. So just not seeing much clarity. This is SPX, of course. If you look at Apple, didn't like VWAP right now. So is Apple going to move down? As you see, once it does, ES moves down. So some correlation there. Also, NVIDIA with a nasty little wick up here. Got 2 minutes, 40 seconds left on the candle. Microsoft with earnings tomorrow. I don't know. There's so much that you can put into those moves. You just got to worry. I don't know. SPY tide. Yeah, put premiums continue to fall. Volume continuing to go up. You get ever so slight little tick down though here. gonna put too much stock in that. I think you may get an opportunity to just chill out today and not trade, to be honest. I mean, we're looking at sort of forcing trades, because why not? You would I'll probably take that to that. See all these wicks? So this is like our little chop box. So if it can break below this, close below this, then you could have, come down, retest, can't failed and break down. That's a good candle though. That's a candle. So still got a minute 20 on the clock, but this is gonna fill that wick potentially. So the hindsight, the 8 has been kind of the resistance as this thing just kind of curls down. You got anchored VWAP turning down, VWAP turning down. And I'm going to guess if you go to Apple, you get the same red candle. NVIDIA, green candle. So who's running the show today? It's this guy. Keep an eye on it, see if it can break and hold here. Go to Tide. Little downtick in volume on the general market. Little downtick of volume in regular or SPY Tide. Little uptick in premium. So this is my guess. It wicks up, kind of closes right here to annoy us. And then we'll see what the next candle does. Right now, that is setting up candle by candle to the downside is the setup. Still got 13.
So a couple different things I'm looking at here, Roy. So your ADX indicator, which does the momentum, right?
Yeah.
So on a 30-minute, we're at 21.57. Anything above 20 is showing a strong momentum. The weird thing, the 5-minute, it came down. It's down. It was at 17. Now it's 18.32. So it is moving up. So are we gaining some momentum to the downside here? You got 750 orders now sitting at 26.
Good golly.
Yeah. Yeah. Those are mostly algo orders, though. Like 90% of them are algo orders.
I shouldn't do this, but I'm going to try a short on this candle by candle.
Me and you are thinking the exact same.
Okay.
I wanted to try here at 30. So we had two different thought processes to get to the same conclusion.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's good or bad, Roy.
I don't either. I'm going to let it ride. I'm going to put my sell at 24. Actually,
I hate you right this second. Now, my take profit and stop loss are automatic because I got brackets set, but my take profit is actually sitting at 64.24.
That's amazing.
Here's the deal. If we can break 26, we could probably see low a day, if not a little lower.
Yeah.
That's an if. Oh, this guy did a chat GTP thing where it created a hyper-realistic 8K DSLR photo taken with me and put Mia Khalifa in the picture. I think if there's anybody I could put in a picture, it would be somebody besides Mia Khalifa.
You're right.
Not that I'm a hater of Mia Khalifa, but she is just she's kind of out there right now. I don't know if you've seen like all the stuff she's done lately.
Yeah, isn't she like big Palestinian stuff?
Yeah. Well, Roy, I thought we was gonna get our breakdown there, but They have now moved these orders to 24. You gotta be kidding me. There's 789 orders sitting at 24. Wow.
All right. All right. Do it.
Do it one time for the boys. I'm going to actually move my take profit down to 22. And the reason I'm going to move it to 22 is because once it goes down, if we get 10 ticks, my stop is going to start trailing.
Mm-hmm.
So I've been getting taken out on these stops that's trailing. So I need to adjust that. I just can't figure out. I don't know if anybody's ever used TradingView. It's not the easiest thing to figure out their ATM brackets.
No.
So I've got it set. So it should be when it hits the profit target of 12 ticks, the stop loss is supposed to move within 6 ticks and trail at 6 ticks down. If that makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know if that's actually working right or not. I thought it was 10 ticks. Now it says it's 12 ticks there. So and look, the reason I did that is just to keep me from going from decent green to red.
Mm-hmm.
But sometimes it bites you in the ass. So
Well, 10 ticks is what, 2.5 points?
yes.
Oh.
So I moved to 12 ticks was 3 points. So if we do hit 26, my stop should come down to, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 27.50. That is if we hit 26. Like I said,
Mm-hmm.
now there's 799 orders sitting at 24. Oh, Roy.
Yeah.
We got a new player in the game at 64.15.
Okay.
153 orders down there now. Those are not algo orders, by the way. That is somebody that has orders sitting there.
Okay.
Typically, what you see, here's the reason I call out their algo orders or not, because a lot of times these algo orders will move once something gets close to them. Typically, when it's somebody sets orders at a position, they don't move them. They let them take. So that's kind of why I call those out.
I do not like the follow through.
No, I haven't liked anything yet so far, to be honest with you. And my original trade would have worked out if I'd just left it alone. We could be getting a pop here, though. This could turn against us pretty quickly, Roy, if it wants to. That damn ADX indicator is 19.5 now, though, on the 5 minute. We did make a really weird H pattern this morning.
Yeah. I'd like it to have that right leg come down a lot further.
Typically when you get the H pattern, it typically breaks that previous low.
Mm-hmm.
But right now, all we're doing is we're making a higher low.
Well, that's not good.
No, but knock on wood, we have not made a higher high yet. So, but if it breaks above 31, then we get a higher high. So we're right here in a weird situation.
8. Tide is premiums are dropping. Well, a little uptick here.
Yeah, you might want to refresh your tide. Let me see if it's my tide or your tide. It needs to be refreshed. It was my tide needs a refresh. That's one thing I hate. I have to go back and refresh tide just to make sure I'm on current. And a lot of times it's right, but I don't trust anything nowadays.
Yeah, no. That's what I tell my wife. The thing we can't do is get too married to this thing. So we've got the 8 ribbon holding, which is at 64.30. I'm not gonna say it.
Well, the 30-minute here, we need this close down here because, like right now, we are on top of the 200. We need to break the 200. Let's pull the 300 and 30-minute up. That is that old anchored VWAP too down here that it's holding. But right here, I don't. Why is it? The 200 is different on. Oh, never mind. Because I was looking at the 15-minute there. There we go. See that? We need to close below there. Then if we could break this, which we have not been able to break below, and we have been able to break below the 200. So this will be a step if we can hold. We got a minute something on this candle. If we can hold below this 200, that is actually a good sign. These are turning.
Wait.
Ooh. Well, there went my stop down, so I'm guaranteed 37.50 now in this trade. Don't know if I like that or not.
$37.50. That'll buy you a Five Guys burger, no fries.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to leave it here, to be honest with you, because I don't know. I did move my take profit to 23.50, and it's 25. Oh, they just threw orders at 27 above us.
Ooh.
Yeah, they hadn't done that yet this morning until now. Oh, come on. Come on.
Oh, it's going to take me out of 27.
I am back to flat on the day overall, Roy. So no matter what happens, I'm back flat on the day. No else.
Hey, that's good though.
Hey, we're making progress.
New session low.
We need a good day here today. I need to take a payout Thursday on this damn thing. So, but I'm not kind of what I've done in the past. I'm guaranteed 68.75 on this trade now. Looks like it's going to take me out here. It's going to get close. Hopefully, it rejects this old anchor VWAP before it takes me out. But no. Oh, my down stop had moved right above that anchor VWAP, that previous one. And we're like 2 ticks away from it taking me out there. Funny, y'all should have heard me the other night. Sunday night, I was chatting with ChatGPT because everybody was asleep at 3:30 in the morning. And believe it or not, you can have some damn ChatGPT is kind of like Roy, except they know a lot more.
Yeah. No, I mean, none taken.
But so you start putting in, like, you can actually take a picture of your chart, send it in. That's going to give you what it thinks its analysis is. And you can ask Roy. I sent it to Roy a couple times, but been pretty damn good, which is kind of scary.
Yeah. And it'll call you out too if you send it to trades as well.
Yeah. So I was trading gold, and we kept just getting, we get stopped out. ChatGPT, finally it said, hey, realize when you're getting stopped out, you're trading your plan. I went, look at you go. Look at you give me some positive news here. And then I got back in. I said, well, went back short again. And ChatGPT said, I love your style. Let's go for it. I was like, and then it said, let's hope we get the 1 tick away from stop and then glory. I was like, look at you. Look at you. I don't know if you're getting more like me. I don't know if I like it or not.
It's pretty impressive tech. I mean, that's it. I was describing it to a friend who's just now dabbling into it. He's a cheap ass and won't pay for anything. But I'm like, dude,
I'm not going to pay for that service. I'm going to tell you.
I mean, I would try to understand, but and this guy, what he's trying to do, he's trying to build something. So I'm like,
okay, I need to pay for it.
Yeah, don't be a cheap ass and just do it. But the only thing that I have to say about ChatGPT AI that's negative is I just don't have enough time to spend to it. I should, right? It is a 100% productivity tool. It's limitless.
It stopped me
And
out. So I'm actually $20 down on the day.
I think you may get a move back down here if my Apple thesis is correct. So you look at the H patterns. Look at Apple. That's
Yeah, I think you're right.
clean.
I think you're right. They're putting orders right above us now to kind of, we hadn't been seeing those. Like we just started recently seeing those pop in. And I would really like to get back in this short here.
I do too, but I don't want to chase.
Well, Roy, I don't know if it's really chasing because if we get this break here, I still think we can see 15.
Yeah.
We can, when we're below 25 now, you got a lot of orders stacked here, right? Don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
But, and my damn TradingView is frozen.
Candle by candle to the downside. We had just missed that on the last candle. Damn it.
We are at yesterday's low. Is this yesterday's low? Like during session?
No. Or low.
Well, my TradingView, I might have to go to my phone because my TradingView is not working.
Yeah, Apple dropping here. You could. Oh man.
Well, I'm in a damn short, Roy, and I don't know where I'm at on this damn short. So, okay, we caught up for a second. Now we're lagging.
Apple low of the day 22.11.51. That's still about 70 cents away. You're at the bottom Bollinger Band. I haven't rolled up short at bottom Bollinger Band, but it is bending down. So
Your call premiums and your put premiums just both spiked.
whoa. Man.
Now they're both ticking back down. What the hell? You got a little spike in general market tide, but your volume's still going down. Volume is still going down in SPY tide. Let's look at holdings, which would be your Apples of the world. You're getting a little pop. And actually, wow, that's interesting. So your call premiums are above your put premiums on holdings. Now holdings is a big thing there. According to my chart here, Roy, I see if we can get below 24 here, we've got to move down. But we got to get below 24, and it's holding up for the second. That is me just looking at TradingView with the level we got there. Oh, it just went below it a little. Oh, popped right back above it, though. Didn't like it. Did not like it. Come on down to 15. Come on now. How's everybody else doing today? How are you done for the day? Big Money Howie.
Big Money Howie. Apple green candle coming up here on the bottom Bollinger. They can reject here.
Yeah, look at your SPY tide. Your premiums are popping again on puts.
Yeah.
CBD's at 53. Here's this 24 break. We need to get this 24 break and hold. That's what we really need. And then we could come down to possibly 20. There's a whole break. There we go. Come on, let's go. Oh, I see what it's doing now. I thought that was a level. That's actually the current low. So it just follows. It keeps the low and the high mark. I forgot I changed that on TradingView. I'm guaranteed to be green now on the day. My stop just moved down. I am actually. I moved my take profit to 2025. It just missed me by 2 ticks. 1 tick. Oh, my stop just moved down. Now I'm guaranteed to be $70 up on the trade. Come on, take this out. Give me 120 on it. Oh, you're gonna bounce up, you dirty dog. Now you're gonna come back and test it again. It is 1 tick away. I hate 1 tick misses. There it is. $100 up on the day.
Good
Boom.
job.
That was a hard $100. I'm not gonna lie to you guys.
You got the 5-day moving average 7 points below us, by the way.
And nobody gives a shit.
I'm just saying. Where's your 400? Where's your
Just
400?
because Howie is in this chat does not mean you get to talk shit like that.
Yeah. No, 5-day. Where's your 400 on the 5-minute? I don't think.
I see right. Look, Howie, I'm definitely closing when we get to the purple line on my chart. Moving there, speak about. Y'all are dirty. I don't even see the new 400 now. I don't know did it leave my chart.
Oh no. Are you on the 5-minute? I can't.
Oh, okay.
You're on the 15-minute. You're on the 15-minute.
I moved to TradingView. It's still there. So 64.12.52.
That's right where the 5. I mean, it's 64.13.
We now have a new player in the game, Roy. 6410 has joined the chat over here on Bookmap.
Okay. Apple is popping, so be careful here. Apple is popping.
I'm not doing a damn thing right now. I'm $96 up, and that was hard. I'm not losing it on one trade.
Yeah, I'm pretty good at that. The 8 here on the 5 is what I would, or on the 8 on the 5 on Apple is what I would see for a rejection here. So, it's nice when you can find the leader of the pack that's kind of dictating some of this gyration, because Nvidia taken, you'd think, oh, the world's about to end, but this chart has been moving a little bit more with Apple than it has been with Nvidia.
So this, I forgot. So I've changed it where on my chart now. So it gives the high what you're looking at and the low what you're looking at. And the low overnight yesterday was what? 64.08, 64.09, 64.09.
Yesterday, 64.09. Yes.
So that would be a spot to look for. That's why we got these orders in at 64.10 now. My gosh, look at SPY Tide. Lord have mercy.
Boy, that short at 64.30 sure looks good.
That earlier, wasn't we?
Hey, look at this little when you were out on break, I posted this little chop zone.
Okay.
And then look at this, came back, and this is where we shorted. Remember, candle by candle to the short side. We shorted right here. Blah. Look at that.
I really would like this thing to come up to around 64.25.
I don't like this. Yeah. I don't like Apple doing this.
What are you looking at Apple for? What's Apple doing?
Apple got a big green stick coming.
Well, I got that. Look at your momentum indicator now. My 24.42.
Nvidia has taken the lead. I think, Nvidia's really cranking down. Did you get filled on your cover call?
I don't know. When I looked a minute ago, I hadn't been.
Boy, I'm getting ran over on my swings. Ooh.
Nope, it did not fill. So we're at 180 right now is what the price of it is. You're getting killed on what? My
swings. It's all right. I got them for September, so. I'm in ASPI.
Yeah, you and Led, y'all play the weird shit.
Yeah.
And I get, look, I'm not a hater of it. I don't know these companies, and I'm not about to trade stuff I don't know anything about.
You're not big on industrial isotope providers?
Do what?
Not big on industrial isotope providers.
No,
Yeah.
that's not in my wheelhouse, Roy.
Old nuclear. Yes. Apple shows any little bit of weakness. You could get your flush. Till then, you may just linger.
I saw somebody. Did you read that thing I sent you? Oh, sorry.
Which one? Go ahead.
So, did you see that thing I sent you from Reddit about them talking about
Yes.
Mancini?
Of Adam Mancini's magic show.
So, if you read through that, there's one of the comments says that, well, he just puts lines every 10 points. Anybody can do that. That really pissed me off.
Yeah.
Because people don't realize how actually, not just hard, but how, well, hard is the right word, how difficult it is to get levels that actually play out, right? Yes, anybody can call a level out. Look at my chart right here.
Yeah.
This is a 64, 18, 25. This is not a 10-point move or 10-point anything. This is not anything special. Look where we bounced off of. History repeats itself in trading. It pisses me off when people just dismiss somebody that does technical analysis and saying, well, man, anybody can draw a line and be right. Well, they are right to a point, but I want to think it takes a little skill to be able to draw these things where they're accurate, right?
Yeah.
And when you get multiple accurate. So let's look at this. So we drew this line at 64.30 right here. I'm saying that's a pretty damn accurate level there. What do you think?
Yeah.
Resistance, support, broke through it. Now you would expect that to be resistance now, right? This is the 50. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. This gives me a better tell. Look at all this. And yes, it pulled above it a little bit. This is there. A lot of these times, these things are not going to be 100% precise. That's why it gives you a zone or an area to play off of. We could draw these as zones, just easy to draw lines. Just easy for me to draw a line, right? But I pretty much trade them as zones. But let's look back. That's been pretty strong. Well, look at this 30 level. Look at this. It was resistance, then it turned to support. You can't tell me right here all these wicks where it couldn't close below that was just a fluke. Right. And then finally we get the breakdown. Well, what do we do when we get to breakdown? We retested it before we got to flush back down. That's what really pisses me off when people are like, oh, it's just this. No. Yeah. There's more that goes, more is involved in this than just drawing lines. When I draw lines, I put a lot of thought process into where they are, why they're there. I like to look back and see, hey, what happened over a longer period of time, right? My trade of 8 has locked up on me again.
Is this a dead cat bounce or is this a little bit sustainable?
I'm not loving it, but it could come up and do a lot. So it could come all the way back up to 30.
The 8 ribbon, kind of the heart of it, is at 64.25, which is right near that previous anchored VWAP. On the 10-minute, I think I'm looking at. No, I'm looking. I'm tired. That was fun, though. 121 in one account and 75 in 2 other accounts. So what's what? 275 on the day. I'd like to get these 75 accounts to $200, but I'm not going to rush it. If I did want to rush it, 2 ES would solve the problem very quickly. I'm not going to do that. I tell you, having this contract limits have actually saved me quite a bit. Only being able to do 5 total MES. Now, I do have to admit, there is an ES limit of 1 that I put in because obviously you can't do half. So I have ventured over there when things went south sometimes. So max 15 MES on a trade. But look at this short. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man.
Yeah, I need 1775 here, Roy. I don't know if we're going to get to 1775.
It literally like kissed. Look at this. It kissed this ribbon. And I wanted it to get a little bit higher. I was going to short.
Oh, I need less than 2. I need a point here now. 1 point. It just missed me by 2 ticks, by the way. And it just got me.
Hey.
I was a little fussy there. So now we are 150 up on 157 up on the day. So I got $60 on that trade. We were actually 96 a minute ago. Now we're 157. So. If any of you sports fans out there, if you didn't see it, one of my all-time favorites, Ryan Sandberg, passed away yesterday. The Hogan, everybody was all upset about Hogan. Look, I don't want anybody to die, so I'm not talking shit about that. So don't think I am. This one here, though, this hit a lot closer to home because my dad was a Phillies fan. I was a Cubs fan. Anybody doesn't know, Ryan Sandberg his rookie year was with the Phillies, and the Phillies traded Ryan Sandberg to the Cubs. I remember I was little bitty, and my dad was pissed off that the Phillies traded Ryan Sandberg, and I was ecstatic because the Cubs got Ryan Sandberg, and I loved my dad's never wrong. This is going to be one of the greatest players ever, right? Well,
yeah.
Turns out he was not wrong on that. He was best players ever. That one just hit a lot harder than the rest of them did. That lets you know you're getting old. When your heroes start dying, that's not a good thing.
He was fairly young too.
He was 65.
Yeah, it's too young.
Which is not old nowadays, but
no, too young. I mean, geez, that's not even full Social Security age.
Hey, he can get he doesn't get the 10% on he didn't get the 10% on his 401k.
Yeah.
He would draw 62, and that's still right.
Yeah. 6263.
It was 59 and a half. They moved to 62, right?
Yeah.
Am I right on that?
I think they're trying to move it to 65.
Hey, Roy.
Yeah.
ADX indicator 28.75. That just goes to show you, man. If you just pay attention to the stuff that you use and you use it right, you can get some good stuff out. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take a break. I mean, I'm $160 up. I would really love to get another $150 or so, but I just don't want to press the gas and take a chance. Just being down here is just. I think right now our job should be to sell the rips, but I mean, it just takes one time of that changing to backfire and burn your ass. So, I'm about ready. Time to call it, Roy.
Yeah, I am too. When this red shows up on my screen, I'll be cautious on shorts. Not that they can't keep drilling further. It's just the risk reward side of things is not the best. We are approaching a purple line that we all love, but the risk reward here, I mean, you got probably 5-6 points you could get, which in our line of work is good. But at any point, if any one of these Mag 7 decide to kick it up, with that indicator there tells me you could get a pop higher. So I'd like to see that clean up. I'd like to see it just kind of chop here, to be honest.
Right. I did miss this. Howie said he got about 2,000 in the trade, but man, so paying for so long. Yes. Now you're looking at, man, why did I not hold that longer? Right. That's what we all do. So quick thing, if you hadn't, please like and subscribe. We're still trying to get to 500, so please like and subscribe.
Some housekeeping notes tomorrow. I assume we'll be doing a regular stream, but we'll also do FOMC again.
I'm fine with that.
So.
Oh no, I will not be fine with that.
Okay.
I've got to go to. I mean, you can do it, but I've got to go to. I got to go pick up the brisket tomorrow. I'm leaving about lunch.
That's fine. I'll do it tomorrow. So we'll have the FOMC streaming. Same deal.
I might just from the road, trails from the road with Monty.
Yeah, there you go.
Go live from Sam's Club.
Yeah. So we'll be back tomorrow with the double feature, guys. Good trading day. Don't ruin it. If you're green and if you're red, take your time, relax, take a break, breather.
Yeah.
Tomorrow's a good day. If you're using Top Step, do your limits. Don't make a bad day. I mean, it's been last week, or it's been 2 weeks since we had a pretty rough day between me and Monty, and putting those limits in, putting those discipline in, putting those steps has kind of turned the corner. It sucks, but we're trending in the right direction. So you guys do the same. That is financial advice.
Yeah.
That's all I've got.
That's all I got, guys. Be safe. Like I said, we could see a lot of stuff happen today with FOMC tomorrow. I mean, Roy said it earlier. We've got a packed week the rest of the week, so a lot of data. We could see a big move. We could also see it just come down and chop around for a while and just go do really nothing. So we have gotten a big move down. We are getting to the lull. Volume's still holding up relatively strong, which is kind of confusing to me at this time of day. But
yeah,
we typically get a pop here. Maybe that was that pop earlier there, that growing green candle. I don't know.
Yeah,
it hadn't been pretty so far, but data was actually really good today. So I don't understand it all, but I think they're more trading. I'm not expecting a cut tomorrow. Guys, I'm not expecting a cut either, but man, that they could change their mind, and you could have some people jockeying for that position, for that chair.
Chair.
Yeah. So you never know what everybody else in that room is thinking. It's not just J Powell that has the yes or no in it. So.
Yeah, it's a committee. FOMC is a committee, so
they do follow what he says, but that's not the law. So,
which is good. They should all have independent thought, and we just keep that in mind. You're probably not going to get a cut tomorrow, but you may get some commentary popping out.
I'm saying you're going to get a lot of comments. Yeah, a lot of comments about data showing this, data showing that. And look, he could say a lot tomorrow, then PCE comes out on Thursday and just squashes all that, right?
Yeah.
PCE goes up, then if he says anything dovish at all, well, you can probably just write that out because PCE is that's the one they like. That's the one they look at. So
yeah.
Just know there's a lot of landmines the rest of the week.
And he will have that data tomorrow. So even though it's not released to the public, he gets an advanced thing. So
let's look at this tomorrow. You could get a little indication of where it's going to happen on Wednesday, Thursday.
Keep an eye on the money supply as well, guys. Keep an eye on that chart.
Yep.
But that's all I've got. Thank you, Monty. Great show.
Thank you, Roy.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, guys. We'll catch you guys